Gamification isn't just a buzzword now. Gamification is something that every LMS and learning management apps are opting into. This is a great way to keep your students engaged with your courses, with anything that you're trying to teach them. I'm Nabila from Creator LMS, and today I'm going to show you how you can add gamified rewards with Creator LMS in your LMS dashboard. So let's dive into it and get started. So first, you're going to have to go to the Creator LMS add-ons. Now we have gamification added as add-ons so that you can keep it enabled or disabled if you don't want to use this feature. But let me assure you, this is totally built in, so you don't need any third-party plugins for this. Now here you'll see the gamification option. You can see that you can engage learners with points, badges, levels, and leaderboards. So I'm going to just go ahead and enable this. Now it's enabled and you're going to see the gamification module on the left side. So now let's go here. So first we have some bonus points. Then we have achievement badges. As you saw that I just enabled this, so all of these are empty now. We have rewards, we have learner levels, and we have leaderboards. Now let me explain each of these individually. So first, let's go to the bonus point. Here you can add rules for each bonus point that your students are gonna get. So here you can click on add rules, and you're gonna see multiple rules here. So we have rules related to community, we have rules related to courses. So let me go over them. Now the first one we have is the course completion. So once a person completes a course, you can give them bonus points. Then we have a similar one for lessons. It's the same as the course. You have to just finish a lesson. So you can have like 20 lessons in your course, and the person gets, let's say, 20 points for each lesson completion. Then we have the quiz achievement. So for example, if some person gets a quiz marks, let me just show you. Let's say you can set a minimum threshold here. So if a person gets minimum 30% marks on their quiz, you can add them points. So let's say I want to add 10 points for each quiz achievement. So that's one of the rules that I'm gonna have. Then you can add assignment submission. You can add points for that. Then we have comments on the course. So this is a very good thing. So if you want to increase your comments on a course and showcase that to other people so that it's a very good word of mouth marketing, you can do that with the bonus points, and they're gonna be able to see that before they purchase their course. So that's a good thing. Then we have the user registration. So this is very simple. If someone registers on your website, they get a point. Then we have course enrollment. This is also for every student. So if they're purchasing a course, it's obvious that they're gonna enroll into it, right? So they're gonna get points for that. And then we have the purchase. So this is similarly to the user registration or the enrollment. So you can add our points when a person makes a purchase on the website. And then we have 3 options for the community. So if someone posts on community, you can add award points for that. Then we have the comments. If a person comments on the multiple posts, then they get the point. And finally, if they react to any other posts, they get the points. So you can see that as I'm adding each rules here, they're like not here in the drop down anymore. So you can add only one rule to enable. You cannot add the same rule multiple times. So points don't like vary for each same rule. Okay, so that's about for the bonus points. Now I'm gonna go over to the achievement badges. Now, badges are one of the most amazing ways to engage with your audience. Now, they would want different badges to be unlocked as they move forward to your course. So this is a very good feature. You can go ahead and click on the add badge option here. Once you do that, you can add badge for any thing you want. So for example, I want to give the user or the student a badge after they complete a course. All right. So let's say I'm going to give them course master, for example. Then I'm going to give the description, student completes a course. Now I can add specific icon here. So let's say I'm going to select a file. Let's upload file from this. Then I'm going to use this media. So this is my badge icon. Then I can go ahead and change the color. So my default color is this. I can go ahead and change it to anything I want. Then I'm going to add the points to get this specific rule. All right. So points, let's say greater than, for example, 5 or 50. So I'm going to add this. Then I can add more conditions, but we don't have any other conditions right now. So I'm just going to keep the points greater than 5. So let's create the badge. See, my badge has been created. So if a person has more than 5 points, then they can easily get this course master badge. So here I'm gonna have to add the rule here on the bonus point as well. This was just something that I showed you. So let's go ahead and write this, for example, 5 points. 6 points for the course completion. So once a person has this course completion bonus point, they will get this badge. So you see these two are pretty much connected. Similarly, I'm going to show you the learner levels now. So in the learner level, all you have to do is add the level. This is similarly as the badge. Now here you just add a level. Let's say level 1. You can add the text color, you can add the, background color, and you just have to give the points. So if a person gets more than 10 points, they go to the learner level 1. Now, if someone, let's say, has points for 20 more than 25 or more than 25, they get to level 2. For example, I'm changing this to maybe this color. You can see you can add multiple levels here, and that's how this is very simple. It works as simple as the badges and the bonus point. It's just related to the bonus points. Now let's go to the rewards. Now here, this is a very interesting thing that we added. Here you can literally reward your students and allow them to purchase courses using the bonus points they're gonna get. For example, if you enable this, if they have a specific bonus point, they can purchase courses with that. Now let's go to the leaderboard. Now this is pretty straightforward. We already know what leaderboard is, right? Here, I'm gonna show the leaderboard based on these rules we have for now. So if a person completes their courses, they can rank, the leaderboard will rank accordingly. Then if they have a highest average quiz score, I can sort the leaderboard with that as well. And the last rule we have is the fastest completion time. So let's say a person completes a very big course within 2 days, that's supposed to be 7 days long. You can add them to the leaderboard's first position. And I have to add a threshold for the leaderboard. So for example, I want the students to complete the course 100% to be on the leaderboard, or maybe be on the, if they are halfway there, they can be on the leaderboard. So this actually helps to understand which students are actually, dedicated into the course and the learning process. And then we have another option here. So let's say this is a 3-person course. So there's no need for the leaderboard now, right? But if you want, you can add, let's say it's a 10-person, 10-person has already purchased the course and enrolled into it. They can go ahead and be on the leaderboard, and I can show that to my students. So that's how the leaderboard works. You can go ahead and save this. And this is how you can reward your students with different gamified options. And this is very easy. And if you have any question regarding it, feel free to comment on the video. I'm going to answer all of your questions. And if you have any suggestions on how to improve this gamification, you can suggest that as well. That's it for today. I'm going to see you on my next video. Until then, take care.